Hello, welcome. We have exponential equation and we need to solve for x. They gave us 3 power x minus 2 plus 5 power x minus 2. This is equal to 34. Let's go to our solution part. As we can see, to the left hand side, we have a base of 3 and a base of 5. I'm going to find the way to make right hand side have the base of 3 and 5 from 34. I know 34 is the same as 34 is equal to 9 plus 25, from which 9 is 3 square plus 25 is 5 square. Since already to the right hand side, I make the base of 3 and 5, now I can compare. For x minus 2 plus 5 for x minus 2, this is equal to 3 square plus 5 square. Now I'm going to compare the left hand side and the right hand side. I have 3 power x minus 2. Here I have 3 power 2. 3 power x minus 2. This is equal to 3 square. I have a base of 3 on the left hand side and a base of 3 on the right hand side. If I have a power b, this is equal to a power c. Now b is equal to c. b is equal to c. For that case, x minus 2 is equal to 2. X minus 2, this is equal to 2. Now x is equal to, I'm going to add by 2 both sides. That is going to be 2 plus 2. I get x is equal to 4. Also, I can use 5 power x minus 2 and 5 square to get the same result. That is 5 power x minus 2. This is equal to 5 square. If the base are the same, the power are the same. Now, x minus 2, this is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 plus 2. We get x is equal to 4. Let us prove if we substitute x is equal to 4 to our equation, we are going to get equal to 34. Let us prove by substituting x is equal to 4 to our equation if we are going to get the answer equal to 34. 3, our x is 4, minus 2, plus 5, our value of x is 4, minus 2. 4 minus 2, we get 2. We have 3 square, plus 4 minus 2, we get 2. That is 5 square. 3 square, we get 9, plus 5 square, it is 25. 9 plus 25, we get 34. So 4 is the solution to our equation. It gives us 34 to the right hand side. I hope you get idea from this equation. For more questions on exponential equation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.